Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of landlord. A person who rents land, a building, or an apartment to a tenant. For example, Catholic tenant farmers are withholding rents from their Protestant landlords. American pronunciation. Landlord. Landlord. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Landlord. Say, landlord. Landlord means person who rents out land or building. Landlord. Landlord. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Catholic tenant farmers are withholding rents from their Protestant landlords. Now, repeat after me. Catholic tenant farmers are withholding rents from their Protestant landlords. The second practice. Some landlords also use supermarket billboards and cards in newsagents' windows. Now, repeat after me. Some landlords also use supermarket billboards and cards in newsagents' windows.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.